Good afternoon, my name's Andy Coyle. I'm going to show you this gorgeous 1979 Mercury XR7 Cougar. This is a gorgeous car with 43,000 original miles on it, original paint. It's in very good condition, interior's like brand new. Has the original correct wheels, brand new tires. Paint is not perfect, but very good condition. Vinyl top is excellent, as you can see. Chrome is good. Has original license plates from back in the day. A lot of cool badging on these cars. Really a handsome car. Interior is just gorgeous. I think it's leather. It's like new. This is how you can tell a car really is low mileage. You look at the steering wheel, the seat, look at the pedals. Shows almost no wear at all. We'll pop the hood. Look in the trunk. That's power windows. They all work. Pretty car. Up front here, there's some paint imperfections. A lot of this could be buffed out by a really good paint detailer. Original motor, unmolested. Has recent smog, California smog certificate with it. It's a 351 cubic inch motor, air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, power everything. These you have to persuade more. There we go. Good looking car, has the cool Cougar emblem. We'll open the trunk. They don't have this kind of stuff anymore where that slides out of the way. It's trunk is spotless, all original, absolutely spotless. The original instructions. What really makes this car exceptional is it's, really good condition. It's just super low miles. Air conditioning works. Cruise control. Everything on it works. Look at the carpeting. These are the original floor mats. They're in excellent condition. Has the original radio. Air conditioning all works. See how there's no, usually in a car that has a lot of miles, you'll see finger marks on the window controls and seats will be broken down. So odometer reading is one thing. When you see a car that has obviously no wear on it, it makes that mileage relevant. So we're going to try to get out here, Laguna Canyon Road is a little iffy. Turn the air on. We're going to have to just okay, there we go. Thank you. So it rides out really nice. It's more like a Lincoln than anything else. It rides really smooth. Absolutely smooth. The air conditioning blows cold. I think all the gauges are working properly. Super comfortable car. We're going to turn around down here. There's a lot of traffic. But you can see the car just runs out. Very nice, nice and cool. Now this car, the guy who consigned it, this car, he's telling me his mother got from the first owner, and he lives out in Palm Springs, and he drove it here from Palm Springs on Sunday, and what that tells me and you is it's a reliable car. That's a 120-mile drive up over the pass and wherever, the 10 freeway. So, very excellent car. And you know, you leave these carpets and stuff, it's just kind of unbelievable. The paint on the hood and stuff, there's some areas that show a little wear, but I think a good detail guy could definitely improve that a lot. But I was a factory rep for Lincoln Mercury starting in, I believe, 1981, so this car is very familiar to me. Even though it's a 79, it's pretty much what I sold as a Lincoln Mercury rep to my dealers as a rep. And I had these for factory demo and drove Mercuries and Lincolns, and these are great cars. They're comfortable freeway cruisers. The thing that really strikes you is how quiet they are inside. They're more quiet than current cars. I'm not sure how they did it, but it is definitely a quiet car inside. So this is typical Laguna Beach traffic here. Beautiful town except when it's crowded. So let's review. This is a 1979 Mercury Cougar XR7. Original paint, 43,000 miles. Clean California title. Super car, new tires. Recent smog. Great colors. And you could drive this thing for days. It's very comfortable. The interior shows its originality. It shows no wear. It shows like about a 6,000 mile used car. So let me know if you have any questions or concerns. We have financing and we can deliver anywhere. Thank you very much.